This is Lecture 2, Impacts of Project Delivery Systems in Societal and Professional Contexts. Owners, architects, and contractors have a different perspective on the advantages of the 4 project delivery systems. In these advantages and their point of views have been studied by McGraw-Hill and published in their publication, how they project delivery systems, how they impact efficiency and profitability in the building sector. From March to May 2014, McGraw-Hill Construction surveyed 100 owners, 125 architects, and 115 contractors from across the country to determine the impact of the most fundamental ways in which project owners can impact efficiency, productivity, profitability. The study takes a look at how architects, contractors, and owners perceive the expected growth or decline in the established, emerging delivery systems, and the factors impacting their use and the benefits associated with each. The findings of the study show that there are no clear, simple recommendations for the use of a specific delivery system. The participants of the study saw value in each of the project delivery system, but no definitive point of view on what they deliver. So the next few slides will show some findings from this research. So compare and contrast familiarity and involvement with project delivery systems. The pie chart shows that the respondents are representative of the industry nationally and globally. These representatives were asked to comment on their familiarity and involvement with project delivery systems. And so what you see here is the results. Familiarity with project delivery systems, the design, bid, build, and design, build seem to be the most familiar projects for both architects and contractors. And then CM at risk comes in third, with IPD, integrated project delivery, third. This study is dated. It is in 2014. So integrated project delivery was just in its beginning stages at that point, which if this study were conducted today, the results may be quite different. Involvement with project delivery systems, again, design, bid, build came in first for both the owners and architects. Again, this is one of the oldest project delivery methods, which is why it's the most involved. Expected involvement with project delivery method systems in 2017. These were the projections, again made in 2014. Design, bid, build, again leads for both the architects and the contractors. And then design, build, and CM at risk coming in about the same. And then integrated project delivery following last. Again, it should be pointed out that in 2014, making these projections for 2017 was based on what was happening at the time. Participation in delivery systems by building types. Experience with the delivery systems for institutional projects. These include public buildings, K through 12 schools, college and university buildings, and healthcare facilities. As shown here, the results show that design, bid, build is the most common, followed by CM at risk, and then design build coming in third, and then IPD only makes it for healthcare facilities. Again, this was in 2014. Experience with the different project delivery systems for commercial projects, for office buildings, design, bid, build was the most commonly used project delivery, followed by CM at risk, and well, actually, CM at risk and design build came in about the same. And then for retail, definitely design, bid, build was the most commonly used for both architects and contractors. One of the things that this study did was to determine the factors, driving factors, for the increased use of each of the delivery systems. The architects and contractors had somewhat different perceptions of the key drivers that will produce increased use of these project delivery systems. I showed here the results of the survey. For design, bid, build, the key driver for continuing use of this project delivery method is reduced project costs. For design build is the reduced construction schedule. And for CM at risk, it's reduced construction schedule. And for integrated project delivery, it's reduced construction schedule. There were some differences among the delivery systems. For example, in terms of value, maximizing the value, it came in second for design, bid, build, third for design, build, second for CM at risk, and second for integrated project delivery.
So you'll be responding to some of these issues in your written reflection during module 1. You'll each be interviewing a professional, and you'll be asking some of the questions associated with this study.